bring you back here so that you and Elvis can talk in the hall. You remember?
Yeah, glass. Thank you. Thank you.
I was quite happy to have set eyes on you again.
Yeah, a skirt. Thank you.
Elvis. I mean, Nicole can come and go.
Yeah, a shirt. Thank you.
She belongs in our house with her family around her.
Ah, another shirt. Yes, thank you. Oh, yes.
She's not a demeanor. She's not my daughter. Well, you did what you did, and you made a very rash, dramatic decision because you don't know the whole story. Nicole, are you going to tell him? Or am I?
You found
This is just what the Layers needed. Hey guys, sorry we're late. Milk looks warm. Finally got the whole gang together. Maple brown sugar, strawberry delight, blueberry muffin, a little family reunion. Now we're cereal here.
What? Just cooling it down.
Upset. Gotcha. Yeah, safety first. Watch the whole grain.
Try Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats Hot. Just add warm milk and you've got a hot new way to keep your kids full and focused all morning.
Dude, your 8 layers are showing.
Oops, Mini Wheats Hot. Keeps them full, keeps them focused.
Is that fun? Yeah? Did you get it all out? You busy girl? Yeah? Oh, what's that? Is that something pretty? Did Isabel make that for you? Yeah, that's yours. You want to put that on? You want to put that on? Put your hand out. There you go. Is that pretty? Yeah. Pretty.
There's one of us near you.
Either way, shopping is easy. You just
Price is very basic and fine. Low lashes.
You got a smile? Where's your smile? Say hi. Kisses. Kisses. Yay! You're so busy.